The context of this project is for residential development where you have 9 home designs and they're placed across a master plan. The land lease model, you are leasing the land, you don't own the land, you own the house. The developer has much more design control around what houses are placed within the overall master plan. And the opportunity came up to have a concerted team hackathon on this particular challenge, the challenge being, how would we go about testing every possible combination of house design placement throughout this master plan and every possible orientation and maximise for one or more performance qualities. And we had about 5 of us to have a go at this at the same time. So the use of DefinitionLibrary allowed us to do this type of thing in a real-time collaborative way that is far less effective or possible without it. The way that we divided the workflow was, because it was all happening at the same time, so there were separate canvases going on where some people would just do the geometric part, some people were working on sort of the coloration and visualization. Wherever anything could be usefully clusterized, and that included Python objects. This gave us an opportunity to leverage DefinitionLibrary, and it meant as they were producing or continuing to iterate through developing a cluster, they could publish that up to DefinitionLibrary, and the centralized canvas that I was maintaining, I would periodically see that updates had come in from clusters that people had been working on, and I could pull them into the central canvas. I could coordinate when I was going to pull those in. But the rollback capability is extremely useful in that instance because the ability to update a cluster, if things break, and as the coordinator of the work, I wasn't ready to deal with that, I could just roll it back. That's been a really essential function in this exercise and in ongoing work. I find this frequently, not just in this piece of work, but in all of our work. You would often reflect on the fact that you know you had built a cluster before that did something quite common, and you'd end up recreating it almost every couple of months. This formed part of wishing for something like DefinitionLibrary.